going, everybody? So doing a little more on this door for the old Jag. So got some rust issues obviously in here. So I need to do some repairs in here before we move the skin. Same in here, just sort of a bit scabby down right in this corner. So I've got to do something with that. And the other piece we did the other day, didn't really sort of film it. I was trying to sort some other things out and Dad did it, so repaired all that. No, it's not plugged in. And well, it's hard to see, but there's a little repair in there, and then there's another wee patch in the corner that you can sort of see. So we got all that cleaned up, so that's all ready for sort of the next piece, I suppose, once we sort of get into doing a little bit of prep. So yeah, we'll get this door sorted, and I guess we'll just keep moving around them. I'll have a bit more of an update. I'll add a bit more. So yeah, add just a little bit. It's just the two pieces that we cut off, so you can sort of see what's hiding in behind. I'll just clean these up with a little wire wheel that I've got on my die grinder, because that's the only bloody thing I've got here. Apart from I haven't got any wire wheels for an angle grinder or anything at the moment, because we're in full lockdown and the only places that are open are the old supermarket or food shop. Can't buy anything, so we're just going to make them. There you go, guys. So we've made two repair panels up. We've just got them powdered in there with some magnets and obviously some vice grips. So we're going to put 2 or 3 tacks around here, pull that off, weld that up so we can dress it up on the inside and get it nice and clean and tidy. And then we'll weld it on. So I'll come back to you shortly. Right, just quickly update. So we joined these 2 panels together, welded it from the back, dressed it up, and I've just tacked all this in. Just a little bit of manoeuvring because this is slightly raised through here, and yeah, glue her in. I'll tap that down in because of where it's pulled in for the original spot welds for the bracing and behind that. And yeah, we're good. Alright guys, back shortly. Right, here you go. So got this corner in, basically all dressed up. That's very, very minor marks in there. The rest of that will be just a little bit of smear and body filler or decent height build, and the rest of that will disappear. A little bit of dressing up to do underneath where it's joined. So now we're going to come here and do something with this bit. So we're just trying to decide how we're going to do that, because there's a ridge in here, and then you get a step up in here, and then that jumps back up under here too, along that edge. So we'll bit of a play and make something up. Alrighty. Yeah, everybody. So I'm just building a repair panel for this corner. It's got a few humps and lumps and bumps in it, so I'm putting a few humps and bumps and lumps in this bit. See if we can get it close. We'll just have to give it a little dolly round afterwards once we start welding it in. But I don't think that'll be far away. Alrighty guys, cheers. So righty, I showed you before that I had built this patch for the corner's door and shaped it up a little bit. So we sort of tacked it in quite a few places and dollied it round and try and get the shape as good as we can. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. By the time we put a little bit of mud in around the back and maybe just a little bit more hammer and dolling, it'll be fine. So we've just finished making up these corner patches to go back in here. I've just been trying to get a little bit of, just a tiny little bit of shape that way and that way in them, and bent them over, hopefully ready to glue on there. So we've got that one ready, well, all but anyway, and that one's ready. So that's the first corner I put in, and we made that in two sections and welded it around there and then put it on. And here we made that corner and put that on. So tomorrow in the morning sometime we'll get that all welded on. Starting to run out of light here. Like, we could do it out at night here, but we'll just do, you know, 4 or 5 hours a day, puddle around out here, do bits and pieces, go for a bike ride with the young fella and come back, and Dad will carry on while I'm out doing a bike ride, or we'll go for a bike ride with the young fella and whatever. So we're just puddling around. We've got 2 or 3 weeks yet of this bloody lockdown, so, and who knows how long after that. And you know, while I'm trying to find work until we know what's going on with going to the States, we'll just carry on puddling on with this and try and find some work to do if we come out of lockdown, so, or if they relax things a bit. But yeah, we'll carry on and we'll keep doing it. So yeah, alrighty guys, we'll catch you later on. Cheers. So we'll end this video here. Cheers guys. Happy Easter. And Good Friday here, so we're almost the end of the day here. It's about 5 o'clock or a bit after 5. We went through daylight savings there about a week ago, so I've lost an hour of light at the end of the day now too. So, but yeah, like it's still warm enough, but it's starting to cool off at nights, and it's quite cool in the mornings. But yeah, so the days are slowly getting shorter. Anyway, so yeah, we'll do a bit more tomorrow, get this corners tacked in and welded in, and yeah, I'll make this the end of this video update, and yeah, anything we do tomorrow will be on the next one. Cheers, see ya.